excellent visit to the market with our guide who was extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Would highly recommend you visit the market, but I would go with guide. Great fun. We got a message in the morning that we'd be picked up a bit late due to some Jamoa prying. We were picked up promptly on time. We visited several places, the Kasbah, the Argan oil factory, the Souk El Had, and the largest mosque in Agadir. At the main market, we asked for a guide who walked with us and stayed close to every stall. He even helped us bargain. A very nice man, eager to show us everything in the market. Unfortunately, we only had 2 hours at the market. We could have spent much longer there. We still didn't get to see everything. Had a great time. Our guide and driver was very thoughtful. Would tell everyone about this trip. Thank you. A gigantic souk where you can find everything: argan oil, honey, restaurants, bars. I loved it. It's very crowded, so wear sneakers. However, be careful when asking for prices. Ask several vendors because they all have different prices. Incredible. Fantastic experience. Our guide was excellent and introduced us to local artisans. We enjoyed orange juice on a lovely terrace and took some beautiful photos. He was incredibly friendly and kind-hearted. We highly recommend doing this if you're ever in Agadir. Aziz picked us up, there on time, always helpful, friendly and informative. He made sure from start to finish we were looked after, which was extremely key in this type of visit/tour. We chose the Agadir tour where we saw the panoramic views from the top of the mountains and learned useful info about some of the history, facts about the place and what's up and coming. Then we went to a mosque, which is a landmark building in Morocco with impressive architecture and size. We then passed the King's Palace, and on to the Argan oil factory, laboratory where you learn a bit about how they made the oil which is produced in Agadir. Lastly, we visited the big souk market, which is 3 square miles. When we arrived, he made sure we had a guide there waiting for us, and he took us round to the good bits, including spices, mementos, clothing, and anything you specifically wanted to look at. He made sure we weren't being charged too much and looked after us well. You do not want to go into this market on your own. Trip was organized very well and allowed us to enjoy a little snippet of everything and lasted about 4 hours including transport time. Very impressed. Thanks again team for some lovely memories.